What's your favorite childhood memory?
I have a lot of great memories of like being outside and playing as a child. One that I used to do was like I would go climb the tree in my backyard and maybe like bring a little journal and then kind of just pretend like I was like living in a forest and write little thoughts and just stay out there for like hours. And I think my parents would also just like let me be.
That's the best type of childhood.
Yes.
Yeah, when I was a kid, I was like a super bookworm. Like I remember I went to basketball camp and I brought my book there. Terrible decision. A lot of questions for me at lunchtime, but that was like the extent to which I was a bookworm. So yeah, I think I always like wanted to like tell stories, and the stories that I liked the most were just about like daily life and just like people doing normal things. And then sometimes it would be like, why would anyone care about that? You know, like it's just a normal person doing a normal thing. But I think actually that same preference or sensibility has carried into my work now when I'm making films or writing. One of my early dreams was to like write a novel, and I think I was especially interested in things that were based on like my family and my family's history. And so that's kind of interesting for me to think back on now, because a lot of my documentary work has been filming people like my family members across different generations and moments just in normal daily life that don't seem super special, but that's actually what I was interested in as a child too. It's just like mundane, ordinary lives. So it's cool for me to think like the documentary work that I'm doing now is actually related to the novel or writing ideas that I had as a kid.